The ASUS ROG Ally 2 is finally here. Promising to blend top-tier performance, Xbox integration, and handheld portability, many are calling it the ultimate gaming device. But does it truly live up to the hype? Today, we dive deep into specs, design, performance, gaming experience, battery life, user interface, and more, so you can decide, is this the handheld to end all handhelds? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Variant lineup. ASUS is launching two models, a black Ultimate/Xbox edition featuring the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme, 8-core/16-thread, and up to 64GB LPDDR5X8533 RAM, plus dedicated Xbox button and controller-style grips, and a white, mainstream model with a lower-powered Ryzen Z2A, quad-core, 20W35W TDP, and 12/16GB RAM. Display. Both include a 7FHD 1920 by 1080 IPS touchscreen with a 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass, VRR and FreeSync Premium. The black version sports a dedicated Xbox button to launch Game Bar and Game Pass, deeper Xbox and PC ecosystem integration. Dimensions and weight. Approximate. 290.8 by 121.5 by 50.7 mm, 670G, black, and 715G, white. The black Xbox-aligned version has Xbox-style contoured grips familiar to Xbox controller users, aimed at comfort during extended play. Button layout mirrors original ROG Ally but enhanced with impulse triggers, on X model. Wired. +15. Xbox wire. +15. Tom's hardware. +15. Leaked photos show both models have fingerprint-resistant textured finishes, though certification units sometimes appear worn. Windows Central. +15. Games Hub. +15. NeoGAF. +15. Weight remains light, 608G on Ally, slightly more for 2. Ergonomics optimized via iterative improvement. Wikipedia. +3. ASUS Global. +3. Reddit. +3. Black Ultimate/Xbox Edition. CPU, AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme, octa-core, 3X Zen 5 plus 5X Zen 5C, 16 threads, 1535W TDP. GPU, integrated RDNA-based iGPU, likely Radeon 890M. RAM, up to 64GB LPDDR5X8533. Storage, up to 2TB NVMe M.2. White, Mainstream Edition. CPU, Ryzen Z2A, quad-core, 620W TDP. RAM, 12 to 16GB LPDDR5X8533. Storage, up to 512GB or 1TB. Display, FHD 120Hz, touchscreen, FreeSync/VRR, Gorilla Glass. Battery, 60WH, black, 60 to 80WH expected depending model. X model gets larger battery to support high performance. Games Radar Plus. +6. Wikipedia. +6.